What's up guys, welcome to Barrookie. In today's video I want a solution to my problem that I have with this thing here. So this is a rack attachable wheel that you can use to alleviate a lot of tension off your back, and I'm really fond of this thing. But what I hate so much about this is that whenever I put it on my rack, it's never in the right spot where I can leave it there. I always have to change up the J-cups and they always align with this thing here. But what I am going to do is I'm going to try and make something out of wood so that I can attach it to the stall bars a little bit further. So I am using this piece of scrap wood here. I'm going to try and only use this and some tools in order to get something where I can mount this one in here. This is just a piece of scrap wood from when I made my workbench, so that's why it's always great not to throw these things away. So let's start building and see what we come up with. Let's go. So there you have it guys, a stall bar attachable power rack attachment. Boom! Very nice, very easy, and I know a lot of people always complain about not having a lot of tools in order to make certain stuff, and I understand this. I started with a handsaw and a drill, and I was able to make my reverse hyper back in the day. So I know that most people don't have a router, and it took me a while once I got a router myself, but that's certainly not necessary. All you could do is just put two planks, boom, wedge them in together, drill a hole in this, and put in the attachment. I just wanted to go the extra mile to make this thing a little bit more pretty, but functionally it's absolutely the same. So if you have some rack attachments and you have a stall bar and you want to get your rack attachments off your power rack onto your stall bar, this is a easy way to do this. Let me know in the comments down below what you like to see me make for this home gym. I'm very interested in what kind of ideas you guys have. Thanks so much for watching guys, and see you in the next one. Peace!